tab.
Looking for a coastal destination with maybe some food, fun, and a fantastically cool atmosphere? Norfolk, VA is one of this year's hottest travel destinations, so it's time to pack your bags and join me for a VIP tour. Take a look. Norfolk is known as a big walking city. Tourist residents, they love the walk here down by the harbor. You can access everything, all the waterfront action. From land to sea, there is so much to do in this great city, including a tour of the battleship Wisconsin. Truly a treat for any naval history buff. Tell me about HarborFest.
HarborFest is our biggest festival of the year here in Norfolk. It's held the second weekend of June each year.
Here in MacArthur Square, this is where it all happens. You've got art, you've got shopping, you've got history, and some of the cleanest transportation around on the Tide.
The Glass Studio is meant to be first and foremost a public space and an educational space, and it grew out of a need to support the incredible glass collection at the museum.
We're here on Granby Street. This is the hot happening area where there are great bars, restaurants, the nightlife is terrific, and if you want to experience the local food and the culture here, the Granby Street Food Tour happens every Saturday. It's a great way to experience the local cuisine and also get a little lesson in history. If someone has never been to Norfolk before, what's the one thing they should try food-wise that's famous here in Norfolk?
I'd have to say probably the crab cakes. Different styles, all kinds of stuff, and we're fortunate to have the bay in our backyard, so the blue crab production here is huge. It's a great industry and nature's candy, if you will.
There you go. We're here at Dumar's, home of the waffle cone. This is the world's first cone machine, still in use today. It was used in 1905 by Abe Dumar. I'm telling you, delicious.
We are a new brewery. We just opened shop in November, October, and we both sell beer out to restaurants, and then we have a tasting room.
We have 50 vines outside on our patio. We're growing Norton and Cayuga White. We're different because we're an urban winery and we make wine on site. You'll be able to see that we're making a Pinot Noir in Zinfandel right now, so you can see the process while you're dining. Virginia wine is an up-and-coming state for wine. We're known for Cabernet Franc as a red, and a white is Viognier.
Now, there's a lot of discrepancy when it comes to saying the town's name, okay? So how do you say it properly?
Norfolk.
I say Norfolk.
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 No matter how you say the city's name, it is one of the coolest cities you have got to check out. Add it to your travel list. And in case you can't remember how to say Norfolk, there's always the t-shirt.